Do you know which reptile can not only live in fresh water, but can also swim hundreds of kilometers in the ocean? Not a sea turtle, it's a saltwater crocodile, a living legend of the tropics. Saltwater crocodiles are the world's largest reptiles. They can grow to over 20 feet long and weigh nearly a ton. But what's even more shocking is that they're not just good at ambushing in swamps. They can also swim freely in the ocean, surviving for days in saltwater thanks to their special salt filtering glands. They can hide for hours without moving, only to unleash a devastating bite that leaves buffalo, deer, and even sharks unable to react. The saltwater crocodile's bite is measured to be the most powerful on the planet, up to 3,700 pounds per square inch, twice that of a great white shark and enough to crush a turtle's shell. Additionally, saltwater crocodiles are masters of fasting, able to survive for weeks without hunting, waiting for the right moment to strike a single blow. They don't chase, they watch, wait, and act in the blink of an eye. Not only that, saltwater crocodiles can live up to 70 years, have an extremely good memory, and rarely forgive anyone who has ever invaded their territories. So if there is any creature that is ancient, dangerous, and terrifyingly patient, it is the saltwater crocodile, the king of the estuaries, who has existed since the time of the dinosaurs and has never lost his throne. After the saltwater crocodile, the ferocious predator in the water, now we change tone to meet a creature that is also giant, also lives in the ocean, but likes to sing more than bite. That is the humpback whale, a giant singer weighing up to 40 tons, nearly 16 meters long, but famous for its singing voice. You heard right, humpback whales sing underwater, songs that have rhythm, structure, and last up to 30 minutes, then repeat over and over again like a remix. And it's not just one whale singing. Entire pods of whales in the same area learn and sing the same song, like an oceanic TikTok trend. Humpback whale songs can travel hundreds of kilometers underwater, and only males sing to woo females or to show off to rivals. Some scientists call them the Backstreet Boys of the sea. In addition to singing, humpback whales also like to jump out of the water, flap their fins, and wag their tails, as if they were performing on stage. Seeing a humpback whale performing a live show in the middle of the ocean feels both majestic and chill. After enjoying a 30-minute live show of the humpback whale, the gentle big ocean singer, now we zoom in on a tiny but extremely violent creature. Mantis shrimp, the supersonic puncher of the ocean. Say hello to the mantis shrimp, the boxer of the sea. Small as a hand, its punches can shatter glass, crack shells, and create ultrasonic waves underwater. Don't believe it? Mantis shrimp have two special punchers called hammer claws that can strike at speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour in just a few milliseconds, faster than a bullet fired from a gun. The impact is so powerful that it creates cavitation, microscopic bubbles that generate extremely high heat, which can damage the target twice, once from the punch and twice from the shockwave. With that strength, the mantis shrimp can take down crabs, snails, even shrimp twice its size, and it does this in less than 0.003 seconds, faster than you can blink. Not only that, mantis shrimp also have alien eyes, can see ultraviolet and polarized light, possess 12 types of color receptors, while humans only have 3. Interesting fact, mantis shrimp are not afraid of anyone underwater. They have been seen punching through aquarium glass tanks, forcing fish keepers to use bulletproof tanks if they want to keep them.
Ooh.
Now that we've learned about the mantis shrimp, let's take a look at a creature that's not only adorable, but also has some pretty remarkable biological abilities. Clownfish, the fish that can change sex when necessary. Introducing the clownfish, not only the star of the ocean, but also a master of gender switching. You've probably heard of clownfish from the movie Finding Nemo, but what you might not know is that all clownfish are born male. However, when a female dies, the largest male in the group will change sex to female to maintain stability in the group. This transition happens quite quickly, in just a few days, without any outside intervention, completely naturally. In the world of clownfish, the largest male is not only the protector of the school, but also the one who plays an important role in reproduction. This process helps the school survive without genetic problems or a lack of offspring. What is special is that clownfish live in a symbiotic relationship with the sea anemone, using it to protect itself from predators. Meanwhile, the sea anemone receives protection from the clownfish and is not invaded by other species. It's truly a win-win relationship where clownfish can change sex when necessary, while also maintaining their own survival and protecting what they have. Clownfish are not only fun and colorful fish, but also symbols of flexibility and adaptability in nature. After meeting the clownfish, a fish that stands out for its ability to change gender flexibly, we now move on to an equally bizarre and terrifying creature. Lamprey, ancient creatures with blood-sucking mouths. The lamprey, also known as the sucker fish, is one of the oldest living creatures. Unlike other fish, this creature has no teeth, but a mouth that acts like a super strong suction cup. This mouth can cling firmly to the body of larger fish, sucking blood and body fluids to survive. Although lampreys do not hunt by biting or tearing, they are very adept at sucking blood. Their mouths are specially designed to act like long straws, allowing them to suck blood and bodily fluids from other fish without being detected. Lampreys have been around since the Cretaceous period, over 500 million years ago. They are survivors of many eras, demonstrating a strong ability to adapt to changing environments. Despite their strange and somewhat scary appearance, lampreys are essential to marine ecosystems, as they help clean up the seas of dead animals. Another remarkable thing is that lampreys can withstand extreme conditions. They can live thousands of meters deep in the ocean and still maintain life in extremely oxygen-poor environments. Their biology is also very special, with the ability to store energy to survive in a poor environment. Lampreys are not only ancient creatures that have survived the test of time, but are also an important part of the ocean's food chain. They prove that despite their strange and terrifying appearance, these creatures play an irreplaceable role in maintaining the ecological balance of the sea.